Hey y'all, hey, I hope you all have been doing well. I hope that you don't feel deceived and cheated because of the format of this video, but I really just wanted to get my feet wet. It took me a really long time to figure out how to even upload this thing, so please forgive me. I am going to come back. I'm coming back, and I just want to say thank you to all of the people that have reached out to me and said that you miss my content. I do too. That's why I'm here. I'm showing up. I'm getting my life together. A lot has changed. You all need to be updated, and I plan on doing that too as well. I want to sit down and let you all know what's been going on over here in the household, but I will be coming back with the vlogs. A lot of people have made it known that you all miss my vlogs. I am in the process of ordering a new little tripod or something for the car. It had broke, and then I just hated doing like outside of vlogs, so I'm getting that back in order for you guys as well as myself. I truly do miss creating content here on YouTube. If you are new here, my name is Denise, and I'm coming back, so just get excited. Yeah, I was just cleaning one night and I uploaded this on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, then you are truly out of the loop, but I'm highly active over there on Instagram. It has been my happy place, and I have been successful at creating content, and now I'm back and I'm really wanting to focus on YouTube as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.